Hi guys, I'm here with a very beautiful body Smart Scale. It has a lot of advantages already here in the back. We have this solid soft rubber feet. We can switch here even directly on the back between kilograms and pounds, and it is rechargeable, so we can open here and charge it with the included USB-C cable. We can also reset it here, and watch how beautiful this is on the top. Absolutely amazing with this a little bit elevated metal part. Then we have the two sides for both of the feet. A really nice display with a lot of information, while most smart body scales are only displaying the details on the smartphone. Here we get already a lot of details directly on this display, and it comes of course with a free app which you can connect with Bluetooth with multi-user. And by the way, we cannot only switch the users on the app, we can directly switch the user already here on the Smart Scale in a very innovative way, something I've never seen before. So it's definitely worth to watch till the very end of the video. I'm going to show you everything what you get, how to set it up, how to connect it, and then see the measurements. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Okay, and so here we have it, really nicely protected. Comes with a charging cable, USB-C. This is very good. This is what we want to see. And we get also this measuring tape which you can use to measure your circumference. I've never seen that as an add-on with a scale, but for me looks as a very good idea. Usually we just have these very stiff measuring tapes for construction site, but for your body you need definitely something more flexible, and it shows the measurements in centimeters and inches. And here we have the instructions manual. Here you can see the model type, works as a quick starter guide. Yeah, I would say exactly what we want, not too detailed, but still detailed enough. Even the QR code to download the free app, and then a lot of information how to use that. I hope it's not reflecting too much so you can read everything, and that's already it. And here we have the beautiful scale. And so here we have it, comes already pre-charged, turns on when we move it a little bit, and here we have it from underneath. What's good that we have these 4 solid feet, and they are also very far outside, so there's no big risk that when you step on the side that you flip the scale. And we have really solid soft rubber, so it's not slipping away, so it doesn't look only very beautiful but also really safe. But even though it comes pre-charged, I would highly recommend to give it a full charge before you're using it. And so we can open this cover here. It is attached to the housing, which is good, so we are not going to lose it. And we connect it with USB-C. You can use any kind of USB-C to charge. We can even charge it with these very new USB-C to USB-C cables with PD power. So it has a built-in PD trigger, absolutely awesome. And then we are scanning the QR code, and this brings us either to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And so we download and install the app from here, and we open it and either log in or sign up for a new account. And so we enter email and password and also some personal information. And now we can add a device. We get even some nice information how to do that. So we click on add a device. And so we turn it on with give a little bit of weight on it. Of course, you can also do it by stepping with your feet on it. Then we have it turned on. You click on add device. Of course, you have to also give the permission for Bluetooth and location. So we turn on location, and now we give authorization for nearby devices. So we have location and nearby devices. So let's open it again. We click on add a device, and we have it already. So you can see the scale doesn't have to be turned on. It's still working for the Bluetooth connection in the background, and device binding is successful. Really nice. By the way, if there's some problem with the setup, you can always reset it through this pinhole here. What's very important before you start using it, go to the settings and adjust the mode type. Especially if you are pregnant or wearing a pacemaker, then you want to turn it into the basic mode like that, then only the weight will be measured and the BMI also shown, and no electricity will flow through your body. But of course you won't have these additional information like body fat and other detailed measurements. So of course I turn the basic mode off to get all the information. We can also see that there is a firmware upgrade. So I'm going to do that now. We see also confirmation here that it's upgrading. Upgrade already finished. And so make sure that we have enabled everything. Heart rate measurement, for example, if you don't have the basic mode. And for example, we set a goal for our weight. We can add a desktop shortcut. And we get even some instructions how to measure the baby weight. You can see that, but I'm not going to do that. And if you turn on the scale for the first time, it's a push down and it doesn't show 0. Just let it go. Don't do anything. Just leave it and it will automatically reset to 0 after the first cycle. Also make sure that you're not using the scale on a carpet but on a hard, flat surface. And so to measure our real weight, we step on it with our bare feet. Make sure that the weight is centered and then we hit the measure weight button and wait till everything is finished. Don't touch anything. If you have activated the heart rate measurement, then it will take a little bit longer, but just wait and see. And now we have everything here, all the results. And what's also good is that we see already quite some information down here on the scale itself. You can see body fat, body mass index, muscle mass, almost everything which we get with the app we see also here. That's pretty cool. And it says goodbye, but we still have everything here on the app. And the level of details is really amazing. When we click here, we can see all the details with some comments on every measurement. And so we can go even into more details, get even more information. And so we can scroll through all the information. We get a lot of additional info, where we are, where we have to go. Really amazing what we get here. And for some of the data we can even see some nice charts. You can see the development. You can see that for the weight, for the body fat, for the muscle ratio, body water percentage, and the protein level. And we can get even more statistics about that. Really nice trend over time. Of course, I've been using that just for a short time, but the more you use it, the more details you get. And one really super special function is that you can use this scale without the app. You don't have to synchronize it immediately. For example, you have the scale out in the bathroom. You measure the weight every day, and maybe once per week you can synchronize the data. So you can click here on synchronize scale data, and you can see it has everything synchronized to this profile. By the way, we can have different profiles, different users. And so when we click down here on mine, we have the member management. We can click here and we can remove or add additional members. And to switch the members is very easy. We just click here and then we select user 1, 2, 3, 4, or how many you have. But we can also switch the users when we stand with our feet on the scale and tap maybe with our right foot. So we just stand on it. As soon as we have a steady weight, it will give us the information that we can tap on it and change the user. You can see, for example, we can tap on it with our right foot. A really nice innovation here. I love this, how flexible it is. So we don't have to bend down. We can just tap on it and switch the user. So I would say it's an absolute beautiful scale, very versatile, has a lot of functions, comes with this really nice free app, so we get everything what we want. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.